Welcome. This is Blender day 11. Welcome guys to day 12. Learning Blender day 13. Day 7. Day 9. Alright, so this is where it starts. Thank you guys for watching. I've really enjoyed doing this a lot, so I want to do another every day and stream it sometime in early 2021. I will do one or two streams every now and then, and it will just show me working on something, my regular stuff. So you can check out the links in the description, at least on YouTube and on Twitch, where I have my art pages if you're interested in looking at my works. This is the second time doing this, because last year November was animation every day in Maya, and of course December Blender every day. So I just little special thanks credit to my friends and to everybody who came to the stream today. Not just today, but like all the previous ones and stuff. So thank you guys again. See you next time. Bye. Early 2021. Another everyday. This is the end. 3, 2, 1.